Now we are going to cook chicken tinola. What we have here is 4 cloves of garlic, 1 small onions, and then maybe this is ginger, maybe about like this. I'm not sure how much this is, but just 1 small piece of ginger. And then we also have chicken. This is boneless, skinless chicken thighs, and we are going to use papaya. And of course, for seasoning, we have the patis. This is the fish sauce, and we will start with the cooking oil, vegetable cooking oil. I washed the chicken and I'm gonna cut it into smaller pieces like this. I'm using this to break the garlic. It's easier to peel. And the onions. Next is the ginger. I'm gonna use a smaller knife. It's a paring knife to peel the ginger. So we have garlic, onions, and ginger.
No, because this is a little bit big. I cut this and just use the other half. You want me to peel this now? Okay. Cut this one. Take out the seeds. It's very tough.
Scoop out the seeds.
Do you want to cut it now?
Yeah.
A little bit tough. Be careful, huh? To cut your finger.
We'll slice it. I'll slice it into smaller pieces and then wash. Okay, now we're ready to cook tinola. Turn the heat on to high for now. And then we're going to add a tablespoon of cooking oil. We're going to put garlic. Now the garlic is simmering a little bit. It's getting fried. So we'll crunch it like this to get more flavor from the garlic. And turn the heat down to medium-low. And at this point, we can add the onions. Then we can also add ginger. Smelling good. And keep the heat down to medium-low and cover it. It'll make the onion caramelize. Because if you don't put the lid and you keep it open, the onion will get dry and it will burn. So by putting the lid, it's helping the onion caramelize and not burn. Medyo, babaan pa natin yung yung heat. Ilagay lang natin sa low, okay? And you can see the onions caramelizing. It's looking good. See? That's good. Okay. Maybe another minute, as long as it's on low heat. Now we can add patis, fish sauce. Initially, I would put like a full cooking spoon, and this is maybe about a tablespoon and a half, huh? Then turn on the heat up to high again, and then start putting the chicken. It's on high for now, and then later, when it starts simmering, we can turn it to medium. Put the lid again, and pagkatapos ng siguro mga 1 or 2 minutes, mag-uumpisa na siyang kumulo, then we will turn the heat down to medium. Oh, but first, dadagdagan natin ang sabaw. Okay, now we can add water. Let's add 1 cup, 2 cups, and maybe one more. 3 cups of water. And that should be good. Okay. And it's still on high heat until it boils. Once it starts boiling, then we can turn the heat to medium. Okay, our soup is boiling. Yay! So we'll give it another 30 minutes. At this point, if you like more soup, you can add more soup. Otherwise, just keep it that way. For me, because I like soup, I think I should add more. Just about half cup of soup. Put the lid back and then turn it to medium heat, okay? Until it boils. Now, since it's already boiling hard like that, I'll turn the heat down to low medium. We just want it simmering, not boiling. Just simmering, low, okay? I think our chicken is cooked, it's tender. So this is about the time we add the papaya. Turn the heat up to high to keep the water or the soup boiling. And then once it starts to boil, we'll turn the heat down again. Let's put the lid on and we'll wait. Okay, the soup is boiling. So we will turn the heat down to low and then let it simmer. Maybe another 2-3 minutes and the papaya should be done. And there's your tinola. For lunch, we cooked tinola, chicken tinola. Here we go.
With
Kain
papaya.
na. Thank you. Here. Bakit ako nag-thank you?